2018 Hyundai Santa Fe review. Value pricing with an appealing mixture of features make 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe worth your consideration. Ideally, a three-row crossover SUV should serve every relation well. The 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe largely succeeds. It offers an appealing blend of features with an affordable price which is comfortable and easy to operate a vehicle. Though it's actually a little thirsty, the Santa Fe standard V6 supplies enough passing power. Higher trim levels provide a lot of interior amenities, like keyless ignition and entry, heated front and second row seats, rear window sunshades along with a 6-passenger configuration with second row captain's chairs. When it comes to hauling, the Santa Fe's cargo capacity falls somewhat short of competitors, both there's still 80 cubic feet available behind leading seats. While we wouldn't place it at top of the pack, the 2018 Santa Fe's combined capability and available features in an attractive price allow it to become worthy of consideration for your family hauler. What's new? Aside from some option and trim changes, the Hyundai Santa Fe is unchanged for 2018. With only 3 trim levels, the other option, choosing the right Santa Fe isn't too difficult. We think the sweet spot may be the Say Ultimate, which comes with all the comfort and safety features you will want along with a larger entertainment and navigation system and also a surround sound head unit. Unfortunately, advanced precautionary features, like forward collision mitigation, are merely available inside optional tech package. You'll have to pay more for getting them. Trim levels and features. The Santa Fe is really a 6 or 7 passenger mid-size SUV that's for sale in 3 trim levels and front or all-wheel drive. No matter the trim, each Santa Fe features a 3.3-litre V6 290 horsepower, 252 pound-feet of torque and 6-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard on all trim levels, while all-wheel drive is optional and features a windshield wiper deicer. The Santa Fe starts you served by LED running lights, heated side mirrors, 18-inch wheels, dual-zone automatic climate control, a 402/040 split-folding second-row bench seat plus a power-adjustable driver seat. Electronic features will include a 7-inch infotainment display, a rear-view camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone integration, Hyundai Bluelink communications and also a 6-speaker speakers with satellite radio. You will easily notice the Say Ultimate apart by its standard 19-inch wheels and LED fog lights. Additional standard features incorporate a sunroof, leather seating, heated front and second row seats, a heated leather, ventilated front seats along with a power-adjustable front passenger seat. The 8-inch touchscreen has navigation as well as an upgraded 12-speaker sound system. Occupants inside third row get access to a USB port, while a 115-volt outlet is included in the cargo area. Convenience amenities such as a proximity key with push-button start, a hands-free liftgate and rear side window sunshades. Safety upgrades include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, rear parking sensors along with a multi-view parking camera system. Aside from some slight exterior differences, like LED taillights and silver-painted accents, the Limited Ultimate is supplying the same as the Say Ultimate apart from one key difference: the second row has captain's chairs rather than bench. This seating arrangement reduces passenger ability to 6. A tech package readily available for the Say Ultimate and Limited Ultimate adds a suite of advanced precautionary features that includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning and mitigation, lane departure warning and xenon headlights with automatic high beams. Driving. Solid, predictable handling and precise steering produce a competent commuter. The suspension also delivers the comfortable ride quality you would expect at a car-based crossover. The standard 3.3-litre V6 provides good acceleration without fuss. Comfort. We like the leading seats with regards to comfort and adjustability, and both front and second rows feel roomy. The third row is okay for kids, but try not to expect adults to last back there. The lack of intrusive wind and road noise improves a relaxed driving demeanor. Interior. The smart interior arrangement makes it simple to use. We such as simple physical controls as well as an attractive design. The reclining second row seats also slide forward and back, definitely a fair volume of head and leg room. Utility. Stowing both rows of back seats reveals 80 cubic feet of cargo space, as there are 41 cubic feet using the second row upright. That's slower than in some competitors, however plenty of space. A hands-free liftgate is obtainable. Technology. Hyundai's infotainment method is easy to utilize and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on all Santa Fes, so pairing and taking advantage of your phone aren't fiascos. The available 360-degree camera system makes parking simple and easy safe.